Hello everybody, welcome to our presentation. Today our team is going to discuss with all of you about the picture 2. First of all, I want all of you to have a look at this picture and then we will move on to the question number 1. What can be the problems when looking at this picture from different perspectives? Now we will start with seeing this picture from the perspective of the whole society. Well, I want you to focus on the first noticeable feature in the picture. Looking at what the man is pointing at, we can see the formula, no plus in money will be equal to yes, which means an amount of money can turn nothing into something existing. So from that point, we figure out one popular problem in modern society, the domination of money, which can control people and many other things. For example, by bribing someone, a certain person can pass an exam or even win a competition, leading to the fact that our life can be manipulated by money. And this is the reason why the inequality between the poor and the rich appears. As we can see clearly from some practical situations, the rich are more likely to be respected or prioritized, while the poor have a lot of difficulties raising their voice in society. So if we don't deal with these problems, we may probably live in the world of wealth inequality, which has a very negative effect on our well-being as well as the development of human civilization. We believe that. So our presentation will continue with another member in our team.
Yeah, thank you, Tan. Besides the controlling power of money and the inequality of society between the rich and the poor, another aspect that can be seen when you observe the picture is the misperception about the value of money of some people in society. I realize the pragmatism and abusing of money in people's life. To begin with, we certainly do not deny the value as well as the power of money in our life. However, the truth shows that money cannot have us on every problem. Many people see money as a measurement of relationship in their life, and even judge people on how much money they make. This method of judgment is not correct and can lead to many misperceptions and wrong judgment about people in events. In addition, money sometimes becomes some people's happiness, which make them forget about its real value. Then they will become reckless and ready to accept any right to make a lot of money, even to exchange for other good things in their life. Furthermore, misperceptions occur when money penetrates deeply into the spiritual realm, allowing non-serious punishment to happen or causing people to use money to buy positions, degree, and even encourage painful corruption. Manipulation of money and the balance of justice with the parents of people. It seems that where money is, justice is there. And coming up next, another member of our group will talk about different aspect of this problem.
So let's move on with the newest observer. As you have seen in the image, there's a guy dressing like a businessman teaching about how things work in the society. At this point, I wonder that how we can make sure that the formula he's teaching is right or not. He's theoretically standing on the view of the businessman, not every aspect of the society. Furthermore, he is not a teacher. So there are actually many situations that people manage to escape their poverty with effort. So I think that the formula he's giving out to the people is not really correct on the time. So, for example, children in strictly poverty areas with effort could get a scholarship after hard studying, or let me pick a real one. How's about Harlan Sanders? The man who invented KFC once thought about suicide when he got his saving just only $105. He's the man who failed more than 1,000 times to become a billionaire at the age 88. In this case, that man didn't need money but effort. Therefore, I come to a conclusion that the formula no plus money equals yes is not correct all the time. There is also a formula we often see in the real life, which is no plus effort equal yes. So this is the end of my speech, and let's move on to a second question.
Thank you, Lão. On my part, I would like to demonstrate the picture's meaning. When we initially saw the picture, the first thought that sprang to was that money can buy safety for us and our family members. People need money to pay for all things that can make their life possible, such as school fees, daily cost, hospital expense, and so on. Money not only could give us access to the best education in the world, but it also gives us freedom, the easy pursuit of our favorite work or passion. So from these arguments, we can understand money offer us good opportunities to develop our ability and circumstance. Money help people to rise their standard of living to get out of poverty. Next to me, Cường will continue.
Our group's perspective when seeing the picture was that money is essential for life, but also has a terrifying power. In this era of modern life, many things in material life can be bought with money. Money even represents power, fame, respect in society. Money governs relationships and fulfills dirty purposes. Because of money conflicts, children kill parents, separate siblings, and a lot of cases like that. Many families broke down because of money. Noble professions such as teachers, doctors, good relationships between teachers, students gradually degraded under the charms of money. They expose cases of corruption with the number of tens of billions of dollars on roof of the dark side of money. That's all. That's my presentation. Thank you guys and lecturer for listening.
Thank you.